Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick tool haul from Home Depot, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there, as well as a little shout out to my wife's channel. Picked these up from my wife. Thank you guys for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so I picked up two of these mats at Home Depot. This is the second video that I've done on this. First video, it was about a week or so ago. Today is Wednesday, June 23rd. I did this probably June 10th or something like that. So it's been about 13 or more days. I don't remember off the top of my head, but first video, the audio was completely gone. I don't know what happened to it. It was just easier for me to redo the video than to do a voiceover. So this is the mats that you can get for $14.97, I believe, in the promo sections at the front of the store. Where all the Milwaukee and Ryobi promos are. These are across, from DeWalt promos. So this is part number 1005978-850. Picked up two of them. My wife already took the wrapping off one of them, has already been using them. The first video, they both had wrapping on them. But, it is what it is. The audio is gone. I don't know what else to do about it, and I just don't want to do a voiceover. My voiceovers never actually, the audio never lines up because technically, the audio was lost. So, most people when they do voiceovers, they're externally recording the audio on a different device, like a mic recorder or a studio recorder, while the video is going. So it's easier to make the audio match. But it is what it is. This is a quick video. It's a little haul from Home Depot. Figured if these are these are usable for automotive, job site, household, and garden. And I picked them up because my wife does gardening, and see if she likes them. She normally is kneeling in dirt, and the dirt has lots of different size rocks, everything from the grain of sand size all the way up to bigger rocks this size. She doesn't normally kneel on those rocks. They're normally not in the way, but rocks about this big, when you're kneeling on your knees, bending over a 3-4 foot section with some bricks surrounding the garden section, can be hard on your knees. I picked these up for her, as a shout out. Also, I'll put a card up here for my wife's channel, as well as I'll put some information up here for a couple cards for some of her gardening videos. She has used this mat already. This one right here that doesn't have anything on it. I did clean it. It did have lots of dirt all over it. I did quickly clean it for the video. But my wife's probably going to do videos on these as well. I figured that if she likes them, maybe I'll pick a couple up for automotive use. For, kneeling in the dirt as well when I'm working on the 4Runner that's, in the dirt section in my yard. I'm sure they'll come in handy for all kinds of other things. Just figured I would do a quick video on these guys. These are nice. They're 22 inches wide by 15 inches long by 1.5 inches in height or thickness. They do have, it's smooth on the front, and it does have the foam cells in the center, so you can tell it is foam. There you go. Bring the light up so you guys can see it. Compared to the front, that is smooth. I have not used them at all, but my wife told me that she was ecstatic. She screamed when she saw them because I said there's some gifts for you in your office, and I actually said there's some gifts for you over there, and she went and searched my entire office and she didn't find anything, and I told her I didn't say what room, I just pointed. And when she walked into her office and she saw him sitting on her desk, she screeched in ecstaticness. So, you know, I thought that was what made the whole thing great for me. Her reaction was perfect, priceless. And then she has been using them for the last week or so for that one. She says she loves it. Does have a 2-year limited warranty on it. Water resistant and petroleum resistant construction. Durable enough for indoor and outdoor use is what it says on that. On the back, it just says 22 inches wide by 15 inches long by 1.5 inch high. It also shows it in millimeter or centimeters, 55.8 centimeters wide, 38.1 centimeters long, and 3.8 centimeters in height or thickness. Durable enough for indoor use, outdoor use, significant. You know, garden, job site, automotive, household. Says made in China. They feel really nice. I actually quite like the way they feel. I haven't tested them, but they feel really, really squishy in the hand. It also states that they high density NBR foam will not compress over time, even if you're kneeling on it for long periods of time, so that's nice as well. It's an awesome feature. They do to get dirty pretty easily, but I took some, you know, regular, I used, what was it?
I did.
Stupid phone. Alright, so, freaking Bigsby. Shh, quiet Bigsby. So this is Chemical Guy's Nonsense Invisible Super Cleaner, colorless, odorless. I sprayed a little bit of this on a blue shop towel, or, you know, paper towel, and just wiped it down real quick. Worked pretty easy when I cleaned it for the video. But they are nice mats. I picked up 2 for 30 bucks. It was $14.97 a piece. They're usually about $25 a piece, so to me it was well worth trying to pick up. The foam does look a little collapsed where the tag, you know, this tag is on this one, and on the top as well. Trying to get the... There you go. So it's a little bit collapsed where it was, you know, but it is what it is. Appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. Go check out my wife's channel. Give her a subscribe if you're interested. Give her a like. She does a great job on her videos. And want to say real quick on my channel, thank you guys so much for being stopping by the channel and being subscribed. If you aren't subscribed, smush the bell notification icon. And these are the reasons why you might want to do that. I have lots of head-to-heads coming up. As well as I'm going to be buying wood with the money from the channel from now on, and we're going to do head-to-heads. I need to pick up 2 Sheetmaster jaw horses, as well as that's for personal use, as well as we're going to use them on the videos to clamp wood down. Purchase wood with the money from the channel to do head-to-heads. We got DeWalt 8 volt, 12 volt extreme, 20 volt XR, 60 volt flex volt, 120 volt flex volt. We got Milwaukee M12 and M18, brushed and brushless, non-fuel and fuel. We got Makita 7.2 volt, 9 volt, 12 volt, 18 volt, 36 volt X2, as well as the new 40 volt and 80 volt Makita tools coming to the channel. We got Ryobi 18 volt, maybe 40 volt in the future. We have Boschtik 18 volt. We have Metabo 12 volt and 18 volt. We have Earthquake XT 12 volt and 20 volt. We got Metabo HPT Hitachi Power Tools 18 volt, 36 volt multi-volt. As well as we have lots of corded tools. We got Makita, Bosch, 18 volt Bosch core to the channel. Don't have any of the 12 volt yet. But we have, for corded, we have Bosch, Makita, Black & Decker, DeWalt, Porter Cable, Stanley, as well as DeWalt. We do have some other brands, some older brands as well for corded tools. So we've got some old corded skill tools, and got lots of pneumatic tools as well. So if any of those things interest you guys, smush the bell notification icon. Hope to see you guys on the next video, and I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Peace!